We have to hurry.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northeastern EAS County and for Hood County until 8:15. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Bluffdale, down on 377, or about 13 miles northeast of Stephenville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This storm will be near Oak Trail Stores. We've heard of them before. It's severe weather and tornado damage. Oak Trail Stores by 7:55, Granbury and Pecan Plantation by 8:05 this morning. So once again, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Bluffdale, 13 miles northeast of Stephenville. The potentially tornadic thunderstorm moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado warning for northeastern ERAF and Hood counties until 8:15. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Thanks. Harriet, do you know where to go? Do you have, like, a map or something?